going to show you all how to release your low back. It's awesome. So I'm going to use a didgeridoo for this. It works amazingly well. You don't have to use a didgeridoo. You can use a water bottle or a rolling pin. But what you want to do is you want to set it up between the top of the pelvis on the front and the belly button. Very small space. That's why you need something skinny here. You can't use a foam roller. I'm going to set it up so that it is between those two spaces, and you're going to push back, sit down, and start arching over and go into child's pose. You're going to wait 1 to 2 minutes or more for your limbic system to do a reset. Just like you're holding a twitching muscle, you'll get a strong pulse that goes through your abdomen. That's the abdominal aorta. Be gentle. Do the breath up. Relax it down deeper. And wait and see if there's any twitching or resets. Allow your animal, allow your limbic system, your body to do that kind of reset. And if your back is acutely out of alignment, like sciatica or a slip disc in the low back that recurrently slips, which happens even pre or post surgery for people, or whenever, it will put it back in place. And if you've recently thrown your low back out, you want to do this for at least 1 minute every day for 1 to 2 weeks straight. And it'll keep it from falling back out of place. And that's it. It works so good. And I really like the didgeridoo for this because you have so much control.